First, we boil the potato slices until they are softened. Then we add a little bit of oil in the pan, swirl to cover the bottom. Then we're going to add spices. You will immediately smell this delicious spice flavor. They are influenced by the Middle-Eastern combined with Asian flavors. Delicious. Then we're going to lay potato slices on top, but cook it on medium. Then we're going to sprinkle the rest of them on top. About a minute or two, then we're going to turn the other side and let it cook a little bit more. If it's getting dry, just add a little bit more oil. Cook it until they're done. Now we're going to place them on a plate. Then we're going to sprinkle some chopped green onions. We're done with pan-seared potatoes. These delicious potatoes smell so good with different spices from Xinjiang dry rub. Look, it's golden. Let's have a try. It's delicious. You have to try it.
Find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.